When it comes to picking the right VPN, the choice often comes down to what you're looking to get out of it. Today, we're diving into a comparison of PureVPN versus Mullvad VPN, a battle between the best VPN for streaming enthusiasts and the best one for bargain hunters. If you're looking to stream your favorite shows or movies without geo restrictions or want the best bang for your buck, this video is for you. Stick around, because you might be surprised by the winner. Let's kick things off with PureVPN. This service is an excellent choice for streaming lovers. One of its standout features is its ability to easily unblock streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. It has over 6,500 servers in 78 countries, which gives you a huge range of options when it comes to bypassing region locks. That's a big advantage for anyone trying to get access to international content. But here's the catch: while PureVPN works great for streaming, it's not the cheapest option. Sure, they offer some deals, but overall, you'll end up paying more than Mullvad, especially for longer-term plans. Plus, even though it's good for unblocking content, sometimes the speeds can be inconsistent, especially during peak times. So, streaming quality can suffer on occasion. Now, let's talk about Mullvad VPN. When it comes to value, Mullvad is hard to beat. It has a flat rate pricing model of just €5 a month, which is incredibly affordable. It's ideal for bargain hunters who don't need extra features like app-specific settings or customizable servers. Mullvad's simplicity is its strength. There's no account creation or personal data required, and it just works without a lot of extra bells and whistles. But as good as Mullvad is for privacy and its affordable pricing, it falls short in terms of streaming. Mullvad doesn't have the same level of streaming optimization as PureVPN. While it can get around some geo-blocks, it's not as reliable when it comes to accessing major streaming platforms. If streaming is your primary goal, Mullvad might leave you a bit frustrated. Next thing to consider is security. Both VPNs are strong here, but PureVPN has a few more advanced features, including a built-in kill switch and split tunneling options. These features can come in handy if you're worried about your privacy while streaming or browsing. Mullvad, on the other hand, also offers excellent security, but it's more basic in terms of additional features. What Mullvad does excel at is privacy. Their no-logs policy is more robust and transparent than most VPNs, including PureVPN. Another point to touch on is ease of use. PureVPN offers a sleek and user-friendly interface with apps for all major platforms. It's easy to install and set up, making it perfect for beginners. Mullvad's interface, though functional, is a bit more minimalistic, which may appeal to users who want a no-fuss, straightforward experience, but could be a turn-off for those looking for more customization. Now, let's talk performance. When it comes to speed, PureVPN tends to be a bit hit or miss. Sometimes you get blazing fast speeds for streaming, but other times, especially during peak hours, it can slow down significantly. Mullvad, however, is more consistently fast. It doesn't have the same huge network of servers as PureVPN, but its fewer, more optimized servers give it a more stable connection overall. Lastly, the pricing. If you're looking for affordability, Mullvad is the clear winner here. At just €5 a month, you're not going to find a better deal for a VPN with this level of privacy and security. PureVPN's pricing is more expensive, especially for longer-term subscriptions. It's certainly worth the price if streaming is your main priority, but it's not the best option if you're on a budget. So, which one should you choose? If you're a streaming enthusiast and don't mind paying a bit more for access to a massive server network, PureVPN is the better choice. But if you're looking for an affordable, no-frills VPN that focuses on privacy, Mullvad is hard to beat. Both have their strengths, but after trying them both myself, I found a better alternative. If you're serious about streaming or need a more reliable VPN for everyday use, I recommend checking out the link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's the smart choice for anyone who wants a VPN that works, and works well.